We're now about to complete the information in section C of the final report for the merit program. This information is drawn from your application form. And in your application form that you provided us when you applied for the Merit Fund, you'll have a GHG reduction section. And in this table, you'll see the elimination of the fuel that you're switching, your projections each year for those fuel savings, and then a calculation of the GHG reduction in tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. And so here you'll see for each year, 2024, a value, a GHG reduction. The savings here are in liters of fuel, as it says here, and this is for diesel. In this table here, the same information from that same application is provided. And so we're eliminating diesel here. We're indicating how many liters have been eliminated each year. We're indicating, confirming the units involved are liters, and we have a GHG emissions reduced in tons CO2 equivalent in that last column. The values for GHG reductions in 2030 will automatically be selected, and the total cumulative GHG reduction across all 7 of these years is calculated right here. Note carefully that if you only have one fuel that you're reducing or switching off of, one fossil fuel, you'd only complete one of these tables. So if you only are reducing diesel on your farm, you only need to complete a diesel reduction table. If you're completing reducing other fuels that are fossil fuels, for example, propane, then you would fill out a propane table in addition to the diesel. If you're only reducing propane at your site and not diesel, you would not complete a diesel form. You would just complete the table for propane. And again, the information for these tables is from your application, the one that you completed and provided to us to apply for your merit funding. Take a good look at these numbers, compare them with the information you provided us in your application, and if these numbers are correct, there's nothing more for you to do in this section. If they are not correct, we ask you to revise the information to correct values and save that information in this file.